Today, we're gonna be talking about losing weight and website conversions. What do those two have in common? Let's find out. If you've ever tried losing weight in your life, you know that probably the first thing you're gonna do is to figure out how many kilograms you actually wanna lose. And then you're probably gonna move on to buying a scale and to kind of track your macros and to realize week by week, are you making any progress or you're making little to no progress on your fitness journey. And I believe it's the same with websites. You're gonna need to track your conversions, know what is the conversion count you wanna come to, and to figure out week by week, are you making an impact on your website conversions or you're making them even worse. That's why in this video, I'll show you how you can track your Webflow conversions today completely for free. Before jumping into the technique itself, I want to go ahead and share a little bit of our story of what happened to Flow Ninja and how you can make sure that the same mistake doesn't happen to you. There are 1,000,001 ways you can increase or decrease the conversions on your website. And the thing is, you're never gonna know do they work or are they actually making your website worse until you see how they work on your website. On our side, personally, we've read a marketing book, as everyone does. And inside of the book, we thought that we found the best possible thing, which is gonna increase our conversions like crazy. But the thing is, we didn't have a measurement system. So we've made the implementations on the page itself, we left it off, and 1 month after, we realized that the conversions for that specific month were down by 50%. In our case, this can be up to 100 to 200K in contracts per year that we've just lost by not tracking conversions on our website and not noticing that our new secret marketing campaign does not actually work. And that's where the idea for DataGoat came in. We wanted to see how can we actually have some valuable insights on our website, like conversions, that we have some real insights from Google Analytics and many more. And because of that, we created a tool first for us in order to run our website better. And then we've decided why not let it out for free for everybody in the Webflow community to use it, provide feedback, and to help us create a product which is going to be the best possible tool in your toolbox if you're a marketer. Let's see how using DataGoat would prevent a situation like this. First step, of course, is going to be installing the plugin. There are going to be two different ways you're going to be able to do this. First one is if you go on your website on the left and you go ahead and find an app, and it's going to open the Webflow apps marketplace. If you scroll to analytics and SEO, you're going to find DataGoat and you're going to be able to install the app directly on your website. The other way is if you go to datagoat.co, you see our funny commercial of our goat, and you go ahead and use it completely for free from here. As I have DataGoat already installed on our side, there are going to be just a few steps you're going to need to take. Install the plugin, authorize your Webflow project, authorize your Google Analytics, and the final and the fourth step is make sure to paste the custom tracking code, because this is the core of our DataGoat plugin, and it's going to allow you to track clicks on your website, outbound clicks, conversions, and many other things which are going to be invaluable data for your marketing website. So let's see what can we actually see on a week-to-week basis if we have DataGoat installed. So you can see on my screen that I have DataGoat on our development framework, but nevertheless, it's just gonna say DataGoat on the top left. I can go ahead and trigger the last 30 days. I can see what is happening on the current page. So I can go ahead and figure out how many conversions I have on the home page. I can change the pages here on the left panel, and the current page panel is also going to be changing and showing me data about it. On top of that, I can go ahead and see the whole website and everything that happened on the full website, on the full Flow Ninja website, client's website, or your agency's website, whatever you want to do. Or maybe it's your own startup, so it's on your own business. But the most important thing is about conversions. You can see that we had around 200 people signing up on our website over the past 30 days. And the most important thing here is that we're able to track which form it is. Does it go to HubSpot? Does it go to MailChimp? Is it a Webflow form? Any forms are supported, and we're able to track all of that, and we're able to track, most importantly, the spikes in conversions. If we go, for example, to our checklist form, this is a fun resource we have where people can go ahead and check their website before making it live. We're able to go here and see how many conversions we have, how many impressions we have, what's the conversion rate on the form, where people come to on the form itself, which is a part we're missing a lot of times. We have forms, we have people coming to them, but we have no idea how are people actually coming to the page itself. So you can see that, hey, people are coming from Google, they're typing in directly, they're coming from webflowtools.com, which we didn't know actually recommended our tool itself or like our checklist or anything like that. It's coming from YouTube, and also this is probably Twitter or something like that. And because we have the page on 2 different links, we're able to see where do people fill in the forms the most. And for every single form on our Flow Ninja website, we're able to go ahead and dig into analytics and figure out what should we optimize next in order to increase the conversions. And the most important part is we have historical data. So we can see over the span of like last 90 days maybe, we can see in the last span of the last 90 days, for example, and how many people have filled in the form in the last 90 days, what's the conversion rate here. In our case, there's a lot more impressions than there were previously. So you can go ahead and have real valuable insights for your website on a week-to-week basis with conversions. And I guess this is just the start. If you're watching the video later on, we're probably gonna be having a lot more features because like we're planning to integrate AI and many other things inside of here so that you can have a real marketer inside of Webflow. But for now, I do believe that this is the thing which can increase your website conversions by double or triple amounts if you're just able to track them, to measure them, and to figure out, are you going to a KPI which is gonna suit your business? In our case, maybe we need 40 leads per month, and are all of the things we're doing on our website actually contributing to something like that? So if you wanna go ahead and test out Datagoat today completely for free, we're gonna leave a link down below and we'll be more than happy to listen to your feedback. The best part is when you're contributing to a tool, to a software which is this early stage, your feedback actually is the thing that matters the most to me and to our team. So make sure to download the tool, send us an email with all the features you would like us to add, and we're gonna be working really hard on making everything possible and on making the best marketer tool for Webflow completely for free.